Now we will start the steps needed to configure our server as a domain controller. First of all, we have to assign our server a static IP address. So I'm logging to the server as an administrator. Okay. Actually, assigning a static IP address is quite easy. You have to follow simple few steps. Let me first. The easiest way to get to the screen is to right-click on the network icon on the taskbar, then select Network and Sharing Center. From the task, click on Manage Network Connections. Then you will get the connections icon. I have only one connection here, so one icon. Right-click on it and then click Properties. Okay. You will see these properties for the connection. Select the Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, then click Properties. We will get the by default we will get the option Obtain an IP address automatically selected. So click Use the following IP address and then start typing the IP address. So I will assign this IP address 192.168.1.1 and automatically will give me the subnet mask. I use this IP address because it is class C, a private IP address, not publicly registered, so I can use it. And this subnet mask referred to the class C. Now leave the default gateway empty and also leave the DNS server IP address empty because at this time we don't have gateway and we don't have DNS server. They are not installed right now. So the most important thing to write an IP address from a scope that is not registered or not publicly registered on the internet, private. You can select from class C or class A or class B. We selected a class C, so it gives me automatically this subnet mask. So click OK, then close. Now everything is good. We have assigned the IP address statically and we can check it by using the command prompt, then write or type ipconfig. This is tool to show me the IP address, at least show me. It shows me so many information, but I want to now to see the IP address. This is the IP address that we have assigned to our server. Okay, now I'll write exit to get out from this screen. Then I will start the next step. Next step is to install the DNS services on our server. Click on Server Manager just beside the Start button. Then from Role you click Add Roles. Okay, Add Roles. Then Add Role Wizard will be started. Click Next, then select the role that you want to add, which is DNS server. Then Next. It's quite easy actually. We don't have any options to set at this moment. Actually, for the purpose of our lesson, we don't have any setup. Don't have any option to set, so click only install. It will take some time, depend on the speed of the computer and the hard disk also and the RAM. After finish, it will give me alert message that the DNS server or DNS services is installed successfully. It should be installed successfully. We don't have any problem. We don't have any problem actually. We will see. We will have to wait for some time until this process is completed. We got to end within few minutes. Yes, this is good. Collecting installation results. That is good. Okay, DNS server has been installed successfully. Now click close. I should see the DNS server in the roles list here in the server manager.